Hello fellow soap makers, and welcome to another soap making tutorial. In this one, we will be looking at making little bars of soap which are ideal for gift fillers, and pretty much any occasion. They look really cool in the bathroom, and can even be used as guest soaps. First, we will start with choosing our colors. We will go with white pearl, chocolate, black flower, and summer wine. We have here around 760 grams of soap, make it 800 grams. We will pour 200 grams separately and mix in our summer wine dry colorant. Give this a good stir. And let's pour our first layer. This will be the top layer of the soap, so we want the color to stand out. This will make the soaps resemble a candy-like appearance. Allow for the first layer to cool down, and gently check with a spatula if the layer has fully hardened. Now, we will begin pouring another 200 grams of soap for our second layer. This has to have a lower viscosity to ensure a good adhesion between layers. For the second layer, we will go with chocolate. The red and brown color combination resemble a chocolate strawberry dessert. Give this a good stir. Let's bring back our mold and begin pouring the second layer. Cosmo was very eager to come and say hi. Allow for the second layer to cool down and harden. In the meantime, heat up the clear melt and pour for the next layer. For this particular layer, we will open up the brightness by using a white pearl color. However, we don't want the color to be too bright, so we want to darken it a little. And so, we will do it by adding 1 tablespoon of cedarwood essential oil. Mix the color and the essential oil well, and as you can see, we have a white and yellowish hue. For this pour, we will spray some alcohol to ensure a good adhesion with the essential oil. Allow for the third layer to harden while we prepare for our final layer. As with previous layers, we will pour 200 grams of clear melt and pour at low viscosity. And add our final color, the black flower. However, we will also add 1 tablespoon of refined coconut oil to help blend the cedarwood essential oil from our previous layer. This will close the color scheme nicely as the white feeds into black. Let's bring back our mold and begin by spraying some alcohol to help with the adhesion between the oils. Oops, that wasn't very smart. Allow the layer to cool down, and let's check how well our colors combined. Wow, this looks like a multicolored sandwich. Too bad we have to use it to wash our hands. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.